Today we're going to be showing you how to make a gratitude jar from things you will have at home. What we need to make our gratitude jar is paper, scissors, glue or sticky tape, an empty wash jar, pens and pencils.
The first thing you need to do is grab your scissors and paper and cut a little strip of the paper. You write gratitude jar on the piece of paper that you cut. You can write your name, but once you've done that, you want to get your jar and you want to surround it. Then once you surround it, you want to get your tape and then sticky tape it to the jar. Decorate the jar with anything you'd like, pens, pencils, paint. And if you want to, you can write your name on the top like I did.
Once you've made your own gratitude jar, you might want to make one for every member of the family. You might even want to make one for someone that you can't see at the moment. And fill it up with things over this period that you're grateful for that person. And then when you can see them again, you can give them a gratitude jar that you've made especially for them, filled with things that you're grateful for about that person. What an awesome gift that would be. We can write what we're grateful for. We can take bits of paper, the same piece of paper that we use to do the label, you can do different shapes. I've done a triangle here and I've written on it my pets. I'm super grateful for my pets. I'll put that in my gratitude jar. My family, done a love heart there. You can get creative with the shapes and you can decorate each thing that you're grateful for in any way you like. My friends, super grateful for my friends. And eventually your jar will fill because there are so many things, hopefully, that you're grateful for. We'd love to hear what you're going to fill your gratitude jar with. And please share with us on Facebook in the comments. I'm Priscilla and I work for the City of Onkaparinga. I'm with the youth team and I'm based at Studio 20 Youth Centre.